The Crystal Surface Treatment System is a simple 1- or 2-part application that is brush or spray applied to existing concrete structures. Crystal T1 is a highly concentrated crystalline application that may be used as a single coat or the first coat of a 2-part application for more demanding waterproofing situations. Crystal T2 may be used as a second coat for additional crystalline power and also provides a harder finish for added protection as crystal grows into the concrete. Since the majority of active crystalline chemicals migrate into the concrete within the first 28 days, the surface-applied slurry can be completely removed from the surface after this time with no impact on its waterproofing properties. To apply the surface treatment, you must first prepare the substrate. Before beginning, it is important to repair all defects, including cracks greater than 0.5 millimeters in width, tie holes, pipe penetrations, and honeycombing. Ensure the substrate is clean of coatings, oils, release agents, and latents that may hinder the growth of crystal into the concrete. Initial crystal growth requires water for complete success, which leads us to the next very important step. Wet the concrete with clean, potable water. It is important to pre-wet the substrate to a surface-saturated dry, or SSD, condition, leaving no standing water. This is an important step to ensure that crystal growth penetrates deeply into the concrete. Now mix Crystal T1 to a thin slurry consistency by adding the powder to the water and apply the first treatment, being sure to work the slurry into the surface using a hard-bristled concrete brush. Allow the application to cure for approximately 3 hours before applying a second coat of Crystal T2. Applying Crystal T2 is very much the same process as applying T1. Once again, it is important to wet the substrate to a surface-saturated dry condition while repeating the mixing and application instructions of the previous step. Proper curing is an absolute must to achieve a successful barrier to water laden with harmful chemicals. Completed applications should be moist cured for 48 hours. Mist or spray water over the application 3 to 4 times a day for 2 days. The Crystal Surface Treatment System is not subject to the stringent workmanship requirements of membrane applications at seams and corners. Crystal can be applied to wet concrete on the positive or negative side. Crystal's unique self-sealing ability means it will keep working for the life of the concrete, and you will never need to reapply or replace a crystal application, which means fewer callbacks and fewer customer complaints. Crystal can be applied to either side of the concrete, even against extreme hydrostatic pressure without expensive, time-consuming, and disruptive perimeter digging. While traditional waterproofing membranes can perforate and will wear over time, crystal treatments are impervious to physical damage and unaffected by climate. Once crystal penetrates deep into the concrete matrix, it stays there permanently, protecting reinforcing steel from corrosion and preventing spalling, cracking, and deterioration. Crystal-treated concrete lasts. We guarantee it. Our standard 10 and 25-year material warranties lead the industry. Ask us about our comprehensive extended labor warranties. Kryton has also developed other methods of applying crystal technology to concrete, including as an admixture to new concrete, using crystal internal membrane, or KIM, or as a powdered dry shape spread over fresh concrete slabs with crystal broadcast. Products and application methods have also been developed for repairing cracked and damaged concrete, waterproofing construction joints, and sealing tie holes and pipe penetrations. So whether it's new construction, upgrading an existing structure, or repairing leaks, Crystal Concrete waterproofing systems will help you build quality, reliability, and cost-effectiveness into the concrete. And Kryton's famous by-your-side service and support means we are with you every step of the way to ensure your project is a complete success.